I found a love for me. Well, darling, just dive right in, follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone.
Exactly 2019 when I realized that if you need a partner, you need to pray for a partner. I prayed the whole of 2019. There came a point where I felt like because that right person was not coming across my path. Because I was very specific with my prayer request. So bless me with a man that serves you, a man born of Christ.
In your eyes, you're holding mine, baby. I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass. We're listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked
mutukanani ambe abunani ngori if yovaziva muntu ndada zvino vatu vakadira aye Mashudu so zvinobva namsi ndingari handingoribwesa ona riwaso kuva munna handingofaniroribwesa and then I promise ora ndikomutogomera ngamanhu handingofaniroribwa ndikuappreciate ngamanhu ndiyapa unenda kuone zvinomera.
Someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own.